Hello you guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to another What's New in JQ Crafty's Corner. I literally said 2 days ago that I was not probably going to have very many hauls this month, but I forgot that I did partake in Pink Fresh did a grab box. And I thought, I haven't ordered Pink Fresh in a really long time. And I kind of wanted to see what I'd get. I don't think I've got anything since like 2019, maybe 2020, and they've had a lot of collections come out. So I thought the grab box would be really good. The grab box was, I believe, $39, and there was going to be so many pattern papers, so many 6x whatever pads, and so many embellishments. They had a list of it. So I decided to partake. So I just got it in the mail. All I did was took this packing slip out. Yeah, it was $39. I took this out, covered up my address, and cut open the box, and that's it. I haven't really looked. So let's see what we got in our Pink Fresh grab box. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Hopefully some newish stuff, because I have really old Pink Fresh stuff. I think I had this some days. Oh, this was in a kit. I really like this sticker sheet. Okay. Ooh, some Christmas. That's good. Let's see what we got here. All right, let's look at embellishments first because that'll be the easiest. So I got the Some Days cardstock sticker sheet. Yep, and that was 2021. So that was probably the most recent. And I got a little bit of tidbit of stuff about this before, but not a lot. But I did have the sticker sheet. I think it was a Chamel kit I did. So I got Some Days sticker sheet and enamel dots. You can always use enamel dots. I also got the Best Day enamel dots. That one was newer, I think, wasn't it? That was also 2021. Awesome. We got Holiday Magic die cuts. That was also 2021. I think, oh, what fun. Was that 2020? Yep. The journaling bits, so like the big tags and things, so that's fun. Ooh, Some Days floral. That's exciting. There's lemons in there. Love that. The Some Days puffy, or are they chipboard stickers? Okay, I got a lot more of Some Days. That's awesome. The Best Day, I did want this collection because it had Days of Splendor. It had purple in it, kind of like Days of Splendor. So I've got some The Best Day chipboard circles. I've got the Days of Splendor chipboard circles. I got those. Happy Blooms, that's new-ish. Yep, 2021. I got the journaling bits from that. They got the Some Days ephemera. I did not get the Some Days ephemera. Holiday Magic, more of that. Ooh, the journaling bits for Days with Splendor. This was a great collection. I hope there's papers in here because I loved this collection. I think I finally used all of it. Holiday Magic puffies. So everything so far 2021. Was there one except for Days of Splendor? That was 2020. What are these? Office hours. Oh, I never got any office hours. These are the wood accents. This should have been 2019. Yep, I remember this. Some Days puffies. So I got a lot of Some Days puffies. Oh, Keeping It Real. Do I have this paper pad? Maybe not. This is the 6x6 paper pad I got. Was Keeping It Real. This is 2021. Maybe I didn't. No, I know what I got. I got the Keeping It Real floral. And maybe a few papers. Let me go see what I have, because I have something, and I thought it was this, because it was in a citrus twist thing. Oh, no, I had Happy Blooms. Happy Blooms is what I have. So this is the Keeping It Real. So let's see. Ooh. And I love their cardstock, or their pattern paper, because it's always so thick. But this one's fun. So I didn't get any embellishments from Keeping It Real. But yeah, I got a 6x6 pad. Some Days Alpha, Keeping It Real Alpha, and the Some Days Colored Alpha. So we got the blue and the colored. Ooh, Holiday Magic cardstock stickers. Those are fantastic. And the Holiday Magic Alphas. Awesome. Oh, look at all these. Okay. We've got Keeping It Real. This is called Reality Check, a cut apart, which is awesome. And it's this big paper. I think I'm going to separate these. I got more Just a Little Lovely. 2019. I think I still have some embellishments from this. Perfect. I'm going to keep some of that. I've got Keeping Blooms. This one's called Embroidered. I did get some more Days of Splendor. I don't know if I had this paper. 2020. I'm going to try and separate and keep all my papers together. Happy Blooms. Another one. This one's called Daydream. Happy Blooms Flower Patch. Noteworthy. Ooh, I like that paper. That's fun too. That's from 2019. I didn't get any of that before. Happy Blooms, more of that. Heirloom. Let's Stay Home. I only had a tiny bit of that as well. That I believe was 2020. Yeah. Keeping It Real. We've got Tiny Victories. Like that. Celebrate. Is this the Ulta New? Yes, the Ulta New combo. I didn't get this. That was 2020 as well. I remember when they did that combo. Ooh, Just a Little Lovely. Got some more of that. Yeah, I think I still have some of that. Story. So that's kind of exciting. I don't have any of that. More Let's Stay Home. Did I say I had some of that already? I don't even remember. Yes. More Celebrate. Remember seeing that and wanting some. Ooh, another piece of Celebrate. This one's called Right Now. The Ulta New. Oh, I wanted that one. More Celebrate. This is Always. Yeah, this was a collection I looked at like multiple times. I was like, ooh, do I get it? Here's some Some Days. Count It Down. Where's my other Some Days? Oh, maybe I didn't get any Some Days yet. Did I? No Some Days papers yet, but here's a bunch. So I've got, yes, Count It Down this week. I like how more, I don't know. There's something about this collection that's a little different. I did have this one. This one's called Fresh Flowers. Some more Keeping It Real. Sorry, this is like a mess because I'm just trying to keep the papers together. What's this one? Oh, this is Keeping It Real. Keeping It Real. This one's called Deep Breath. Adulting. Daily Grind. Ooh, some more Splendor. I don't think I have anything left, so this will be good because I loved this collection. Except for the papers they gave me were like the ones that were not my favorite. Let's Stay Home. Where did I put those? Those are Happy Blooms. Oh, here we go. Right. Yeah. Let's Stay Home. We got Stay Home. Oh, I like that. Ooh, my favorite story. A totally different collection. My favorite story. This one's The Good Life. Some Days we got Make Lemonade. Oh, that's Happy Days. These are Some Days. Wait. This is also some I'm going to dig out the rest of this since there's not as many left. Okay, these are also Some Days. We've got One More Cup. I like this one. The Ledger. And Turning Circles. Alright. And then we've got another Keeping It Real. And this we got Real Life. I think these are almost like tags, right? But that's fun. And then one more Days with Splendor. And it's this one. That's Like a Dream. I love this paper. Yeah, there's better papers. There's better papers. All right. Only one of this, my favorite story. Some Let's Stay Home, some Celebrate, which this one's exciting. Only one Noteworthy, and a few of this one. Awesome. That's a good haul. That's a good box. Because these right alone are $1 something each. So, there you go. Got my holiday magic. So I've got a lot of embellishments. This is the only one that I don't have any papers for. The rest of my embellishments, I've got papers for. Oh, I didn't get any Best Day papers, did I? No, I got a lot of keeping it real, a lot of some days, a lot of embellishments for holiday magic. But yeah, that's it. So there you have it, you guys. That was an interesting. Sorry, it went so fast. I'm gonna go through my Pink Fresh stash, I think, and decide what I want to keep and what I don't want to keep, especially like this kind of thing. Like, I already played with these. I don't necessarily need them again. So I'll let you know. I might do a giveaway. Like some of the stuff I might give away because I don't need it again. I don't need it again. Been there, done that. I might keep some of the newer stuff, but that's about it. So I'll let you know if I'm going to give it away. Maybe that'll be the next Sunday. So we will see you then, but thank you for joining me for another What's New, and I hope you guys find some fun things. Happy 4th of July tomorrow for all of you USers, and we'll see you next time. Bye.